Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Open Secret Diary. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my dirty makeup brushes. And I've already shared a video with you guys about my beauty blender cleaning routine, like quick beauty blender cleaning routine. However, I also use this process to wash my dirty beauty blenders. So yes, let me just start with it. So first of all, we will need a very mild shampoo. So by now, I'm pretty sure you guys know that I use this coffee shampoo by Naturals because it's really very mild and it's really good. So yeah, this much, not a lot. 2 to 3 pumps or maybe 4. That's about it. And along with that, we are going to use this white vinegar. So not a lot, just a bit. You can see maybe a tablespoon, like that. Now to it we will be adding this hot water. Okay, this looks good. Now we don't have to add a lot because we just want to immerse it till here, okay, or maybe till here, because if the hot water gets into this points, it might make the glue go away. So yes, just give it a good mix. Okay, and put it in. Similarly, I'll put the other brushes. Like this, okay, and later on we will just turn it after some times. So yeah, now we're going to keep it aside for a good 20 to 40 minutes and then we will wash it, and I'm going to show you how I wash it. So yeah, stay with me. So now it has been some time, so we will wash the brushes. Yeah, you can see I'm just twisting it like this, and then I will just wash it with my hands. Now you have to make sure that you remove the water by pressing it gently like this. You have to maintain the original shape of the brush, otherwise the shape gets distorted and then you're going to lose the actual shape of the brush, and which will obviously make it difficult to work with the brush again. Yeah, this is pretty much. So now it's time to wash the beauty blender. So we have already soaked it for a pretty long time. So it's already swollen, and now I'm going to use this soap bar and to remove this lipstick. Remember I did a video where I used the lipstick for the makeup. Remember I told you in the video that I wouldn't use this process again because liquid lipsticks are hard to remove and it's gonna take a lot of time for me to do that. And you can see it's nowhere going to get clean that easily. everything is pretty much clean and this color is not going anywhere very easily. I need to wash it for a few more days to get rid of it. So anyways, wash it properly unless the soap gets out from the sponge completely. You don't have to let that be inside. So finally, after 10 minutes of washing it continuously, I'm done with cleaning my beauty blender, and you can see it still has this color, lipstick color, that I used for my lipstick or as a blush hack makeup tutorial. And I would definitely not recommend using lipstick as a blush, especially the long lasting lipsticks are really very long lasting. You cannot remove it that easily, so it's really advised not to use long lasting lipsticks as a blush because your beauty blender suffers. See, there are some holes it is developed because I washed it for too long. So just don't punish your beauty blender just because you are willing to save a few bucks on a blush. Don't do that. Apart from that, I am done with washing my brushes and the beauty blender, and now I'm just gonna go and dry it. Now you can use two processes to dry your brushes. You can actually use a hair dryer if you are in real hurry, or there's another way which I'm going to show you right now. So yeah, stay tuned. But the second way is that you just keep it on a thick cloth or a towel like that, and let it dry by itself for the complete night. And yeah, it will be again good to go in the morning. You can use it again by the morning. So yeah, this is how I dry my brushes. I don't use hair dryer because sometimes it just actually spoils the quality of this brushes. So yeah, you have to avoid using it if you're not in hurry. Just don't use the hair dryer. So yeah, this was today's video, and let me know how did you like it, and if you found it helpful, do not forget to like this video and share it with your family members and friends. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.